So I've decided to do another one of these little vlog things because you seem to like the last one that I did for Ghost Stories Part 2, and it's kind of fun and another little extra upload that you guys might like. I did a live stream the other day and some of you guys came out and it was really cool, really fun. I was animating a shot for that, and then I came home and I took some photos for reference for the backgrounds that I need. I found it so much easier to have the backgrounds in place before I actually start animating, because then I know where the character can interact with the background and everything, and stuff just tends to go a lot faster, and it also helps me be more productive if I can see things are filling up and looking a bit nicer, like they're ready to go. I'm sorry if my voice sounds a bit like scratchy or croaky. I think I'm getting sick, but I'm still working. I need to get the Ghost Stories finished. It's the 12th of October now and I'm not as far as I want to be on it. I've done some animation on stream last month, which you guys saw. Thank you for keeping me company while I did that, but I've got to get the backgrounds done. I've finished 8 out of about 20, 22, 23. I'm hoping to get a few more done today. I've got a few more streams planned this month. I actually want to get the Ghost Stories Part 3 out by the end of October or like on Halloween, but we'll see if I can do that. This is what's going on at the minute. The CPU was at 100% just a second ago while TVPaint was saving. I'm just doing a little bit of animation today. So let's have a look and see what happens when I turn TVPaint off. The fan is still going, it's being absolutely ridiculous, and I think I'm going to turn it off, restart and see what happens. I've finally bit the bullet and I'm going to build myself a PC. I'm moving away from Mac because it's just not what I want anymore. It's not strong enough to handle all the programs that I want to download, and all the videos I want to edit takes so long. I've had a look on PC Part Picker and I've had a couple of friends help me choose the bits that I want. I have been saving for a while because I knew that I was going to have to upgrade my laptop at some point, and it's lasted me 5, almost 6 years now, so pretty good. So I've held off on big purchases like a new camera and a new phone because mine is dying as well. I think I'm getting a pretty good deal. The parts I've priced out at the minute, I've put them all in my basket on Amazon and it's come to £1,670.18. Now the thing with that is it was about £1,500 and then the CPU price went up. I've been doing a lot of research and watching a lot of videos on YouTube and PC builds and things like that. I think I'm going to do a video of me building it and hopefully it'll turn on when I try. But yeah, so that's what I've been doing lately. For Ghost Stories Part 3, I seem to be hitting like a lot of different roadblocks with this. Originally I was going to do all the voices myself, and I was like, that'll be fine, it'll still have like the same effect. And then my dad was like, why don't you get your niece to record your voices, record her lines? And I was like, she's 4, she's not going to want to do that. But I asked her and I said, we can play the sticker game. So basically every time she got a line right, or I was happy with a line she said, she won a sticker. Now I've backed like a load of Kickstarters like over the last couple of years. It's basically the only thing I buy is art books because I don't like using stickers. I love stickers, but I always feel like if I stick it down, it's going to be in the wrong place and I'm going to want to move it. So I was like, you know what? They're just sitting there. I've had them for a couple of years. I can give them to my niece if she does her lines for me. The way we did it was I had the script and I would say what I wanted her to say and she'd repeat it back to me, which was actually really helpful. And she did like some really, really nice takes and I was really excited. And then she went home and I was about to edit the audio and I was like, this doesn't sound right. And oh my God, the soul crushing, it was just bad, okay? Because I'd messed up. I had recorded with my laptop's internal microphone rather than my USB microphone that I had plugged in. Now, rookie mistake, but I can't believe it. I was so annoyed with myself because I could have had the audio done and then I could have had this week to do lip sync and things. But all is not lost because they're coming back on Friday, and because she left the stickers here, I still have some to give her. So I'm gonna re-bribe her. Re-bribe her with stickers, and she's gonna do the lines for me again. It's gonna be with the right microphone this time, and then I can get cracking. I need to record everything again. I'm basically starting from scratch. And that's not a good idea. That's not what we wanted. But I made a list of all the things that I need to do. So I've checked the script and that's all ready to go for Friday when they come around again. I'm going to be doing the extra poses for the talking to the camera, for the lip sync. While I like the poses I've done, I feel like there's going to be a couple more that I'm going to need because, you know, we just like to create work for ourselves, which is probably not a good idea, but we're doing it anyway. The music I'm really excited about. You've probably heard me talk about it. If you've tuned into any of my live streams, you've probably heard me talk about it, but I commissioned some end card music and I really like it. I've got two versions of it. One is for the ghost stories and the second one is for like the regular, happier, non-scary story times. And I'm really pleased I decided to do it. So it's a work day today. It's Monday. I am in Newcastle staying at my friend's house, having a lovely time just playing games and doing lots of work while they play games. Really nice and chill. I am working very hard on the work that I have to do. So I'm finishing off a freelance thing today. I'm doing like a rebrand for my friend's Twitch channel, Titanium Rolo. I'm gonna put like a little preview of what I've done so far here, like her new icon. And I'm really pleased with how it's going. I'm gonna make tutorials on how I did this because I'm really interested in making animated alerts to go in Twitch streams. I think that's really cool. That's what I've been doing. I'm sorry about the glare on my glasses at the minute. It's quite bright outside for Newcastle. It's not raining, which is a big surprise. But yeah, that's what I've been doing. I'm in the process of waiting for my PC parts to go down because I'm building a PC. But I'm hoping the prices go down for Black Friday or just like a little bit after, once some of the other prices have gone down a bit. I'm planning on this PC being quite beefy, bit overkill, and I have been saving for like a really long time to buy an ideal computer that's gonna last me, because I know you guys always listen to me complain about my little MacBook and it's really on its last legs. That's why I'm getting the computer, so I can try more software. I can try Blender finally. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. For Ghost Stories Part 3, I have re-recorded the audio. I've sorted that out now. I just need to retime everything, and I'm hoping to do that while I'm here in Newcastle. I'm really, despite the whole copper thing where they're like, animation is for kids, I'm really kind of hopeful that next year, I don't know if you can hear that, but that's Bailey. It's my friend's dog. She's downstairs. Literally someone's just gone past in a van and she's going mental. Okay. So despite this whole copper thing going on, I am actually really hopeful for next year. I'm hoping to get so many more tutorials out and just get stuck into what I love, which is teaching and making animations and just delivering on all the skits and stuff that I said I was going to make. I'm really, really excited for what I've got planned. So thanks so much for sticking around. Obviously, more tutorials, videos vlogs, story times, everything coming very, very soon.
Hey,